What is going on, guys? All Our Reptiles here, and today I'm going to show you what is in front of me, which is my whole entire reptile room. Other than my snake Einstein, which is actually up in my room, I just don't really have the space, and I like him up there because it's cool to watch him run around while I'm watching YouTube on my phone, being bored because we're all in quarantine. But first off, you've already seen the majority of these enclosures. Actually, you've seen all of these enclosures, but I've moved stuff around, new stuff is coming, and this is going to be a whole enclosure clean because my blue twink skink exploded with shed and pooped a lot, so I need to clean that. My bearded dragon, which is right there, actually blew up with poop because he likes to poop a ton. And guess what? Someone has come out. Huh? You come out to see me. Your enclosure doesn't need clean, you just want food. Let's just say she bags a ton. Wow, what the heck happened to my face? There we go. She bags a ton, but, ready? This is the whole reptile room / game room for now, because that is my PS4 setup right there. But she is obviously exploded with shed. There is legit shed like everywhere. It's just flaking off of her basically. So I'm going to soak her and just do a full entire clean. With the other ones, I'm just going to spot clean, which if you don't know what that means, it's basically you just take the poop out of the enclosure instead of taking everything out and cleaning it, just for like smaller cleans, like weekly cleans. But everyone has exploded everything, so it's just easier to clean some. And I will be doing Einstein, my snake, upstairs in my room. He's just obviously not down here in the reptile room. But first of all, we're gonna go look at Inferno. Let me get him out really quickly. And yes, there is some poop. That's what I'm cleaning out today. He's an absolute monster with food, which is good, but let me get him out. Here he is. Here is my bearded dragon, Inferno. He's a little dark right now. I don't know why, but he doesn't like to walk like probably about a foot to his hot side and warm up, but I will put him on that side. He is getting a whole new enclosure soon. Prior to coming back from to YouTube, instead of just doing TikToks. If you're from TikTok, thank you, please subscribe. It is a 4-foot enclosure, literally the same size as Athena's right there, but it is side opening, so it's a lot easier to get into. Basically same as this, but it is a custom reptile habitat. If you know Snake Discovery, they basically partnered with them for a few of their enclosures. But here is Inferno. He's getting a total upgrade, so he will not need... Ow, God, it's like literally in my finger. That's... Ow. His nails are sharp. I did have sandpaper in there, but obviously someone likes to poop a lot. So he pooped on it. And he pooped in his dish, so I had to clean out his dish. That was not fun. But I'm going to technically clean, but you can't see those because those are Shia and Phoenix's enclosures. But he is getting a total upgrade. I was going to come back with the upgrade to YouTube, but they are total backlogged on orders right now, so it's been probably about like 6 or 7 weeks, probably going into the 8th week of not having it. So basically 2 months of ordering it and still not getting it. But it is on its way, hopefully. It hasn't actually been shipped yet, but it's coming soon. But he has brightened up now that he's out. But, oh, look at him. He's my little fireball. He's so happy. And I'm just going to let him probably just run around. I may put him away while I'm downstairs actually cleaning the tile. And he will be getting loose substrate. I know it's a very controversial topic, but I think it's just easier to clean. Instead of taking out a tile and cleaning it, you just take out the poop once it's dry. I think it's just easier, and I just like having loose substrate with all my animals, and if I can, I'm going to. But let's get into cleaning his. And that is it. It is completely clean. There is some little dust from the cork bark. I'm probably just going to use my mini vacuum cleaner that I got for Christmas, which is super nice. But he always seemed to go underneath this. Like, underneath this chair. It's so weird. And that's my Dubia roach colony. Don't mind that. And yes, there's a sock there. Don't worry, I haven't used it. Alright, well, let's get this done before she runs away from me. You're trying to, but you don't have any claws to actually do that. You have to, like, help her along. Well, this is Athena, my squirmy blue tongue skink. She doesn't like to sit in one area, do you, huh? She is a rescue case, so she does not have very many toenails or at all. It's okay, girl. It's okay. Well, and there she goes. Well, she's going to start running. But she was a rescue case. She does not have very many toenails because of Stuxshed basically chopping off their fingers. And now she only has about 5 actually working feet that actually have, or working toes that actually can produce nails. So it's really hard for her to get around, and she's disappearing under a closet right now. That one. Wow, my head's been cut off this whole time. Oh, we're gonna back up. She was a rescue case. It's what happens happens, but she's beautiful. I need to clean her enclosure like fully because she basically made it explode. So let's do that. I know you've already seen it, so I won't do too much of it, but let's do it. there it is. That is just the bedding and the tile. I'm changing it to one tile. I'm just trying to test out things where it makes the tile easier to actually clean, because the tile was never easy to clean. It always stuck to the other tile because they were like, you had to like squeeze them together to be able to fit in there. And the one I'm actually using, I got 2 extra tiles so I could switch them out interchangeably, but they're slightly too big, like just slightly. So that's what I have it on right now. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit because I did get a little too wet, but I'm going to do this. But we can go over to here where I assume she's hiding. Not in there. Where is she? Wait, let me find her. Alright, well, there she is. Her cage looks like a mess because she tramples in either that or her food dish, and then tramples everywhere, and then there's calcium everywhere. But the good thing about spot cleaning her cage... Oh, seriously? Can you move, please? Go run up there. Oh, there's a... buggers that escaped. Is she gonna get it? Oh. Nope. Okay. You gotta move, though. Like... over there. Nice thing about her enclosure is right here. You just pick this area up and then you throw it away, which I don't have any bag near me, so I'm just gonna go, 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 go. Done. That was her enclosure done. I mean, that was pretty darn quick. I do have to get a little bit more for this so I can basically refill the area that I took out of. And now she goes and, oh, I'm sorry. I smacked that with the camera. There she goes, back into her hide. She is going into shed, so I will clean all of the water, food dishes out. So that's one of them. Or, well, 2 of them, technically. But I do a weekly full, like, enclosure check over, but... oh, she did spook. Now, we go over to Miss, Messy. She is all the way over there. All the way. There she is. If you haven't noticed, I put up this barrier so she can't get underneath this carpet because it's basically glass underneath it. And I don't want her scratching her nails on the glass. Need to clean that out. And I think I'm just going to spot clean. I don't think there's much because I did last week. But I'm going to do that. And just like that, Tortoise is eating. Bowl is cleaned. Everything is spot cleaned, even though it doesn't look like it, because she's very good at hiding it in her bedding, and it was really difficult to get it out. But she's gonna munch. And he's going to munch as well. Tis. Oh, there you go. Look at the monster. Eating his veggies like a good boy. Look at him. Nom nom nom. Oh, so happy. He's got more right there. And everything is cleaned with him. Now we go to the person that's not in the reptile room. Actually, wait. I have to finish this. This is very difficult, but oh, there she goes into her brand new, well, not brand new enclosure, but fully clean enclosure. Right now, are you gonna hiss at me if I try to touch you? Oh, surprisingly not, but now she's gonna run away. like you always do. She's not the most elegant lizard of all, but she's still cute. Isn't she? She's beautiful. But now we have to go wow 'em up high, and how it's probably hopefully a little bit better. But now we have to go do Einstein up in my room. So let's do that. Boom. We are up at my man's enclosure. And he's coming out to either say hello or where's food, which I feed you in the next week. So there's no food today. No food. But I already see some poop over there. So I have to actually get you out. And probably put this camera down because it's really hard to do. Okay, you're better today. He is super food motivated. He's just gonna go around my neck. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's probably a beautiful angle. Hello, he's on my neck now. Okay, so we have poop there, which I'm just going to pick up. There should be some poop, yep, over there. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's actually it. I did do it like 2 weeks ago, so it's not horrible. And then that will be the end of the video. And I'm gonna clean it right now. And it is done. It is fully cleaned over there. And the other place that it needed. And now my snake is falling off of me, kind of. But now, we put him in. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and boom. There he is. He's back. He's happy. He is big and he's beautiful. Isn't he beautiful? Well, that is going to do it for this video of Fallen Reptiles. Hope you guys enjoyed. I think everyone enjoyed it that I cleaned. I cleaned all the animals today, other than the goldfish, which was last video. If you want to go see that, you can. It's just the last video I did, other than this one right now. Big things. A lot of big things. There's going to be an update to the Bearded Dragon Inferno's enclosure, and I'm probably going to change Phoenix, my Leopard Gecko's enclosure. So there's going to be some insane changes to this reptile room, kind of, I guess. Well, I'm All Around Reptiles. I'll see you on the next video.